Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll skip about how to fix or how to solve the problem of unknown error occurred on the application of Google Meet. We click on settings like this here. Then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about Google Meet and you will click. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.